What a beautiful morning in Bikini Bottom! I feel like today's gonna be a day for learning new things. I'm going to help a lot of people today. I'm ready! Woo-hoo! I wanted to give this box to Sandy, but it's too heavy. Let me help you. Ha ha ha! Friends help each other.
Oh my gosh! You two brought this box for me? Thanks!
Whoa! I forgot to tie the string! You kids okay? I can help clean it up!
This is so much fun! I love cleaning!
What the hell are you guys doing? We're helping Sandy! Helping, and making a little mess. I just wanted to get by quickly.
Thanks, Squidward. You're so kind. It's a bubble-filled morning in Bikini Bottom, and SpongeBob is getting ready for a special day. The day he decides to bring joy to everyone.
Today, I'm gonna make the funniest Krabby Patty ever! SpongeBob! Whoa! SpongeBob! I have an idea! How about a burger shaped like a star? Great idea, Patrick! Let's go! We need something more appealing. Something to lure in the customers. Boss! We made star-shaped cake tinks to attract people. Star-shaped cakes? Sounds profitable. Oops, I made starfish snow.
It's okay, Patrick. Let's clean it up.
Is this childishness ever going to end? Do you want to try a star burger, Squidward?
No.
Okay.
Wow, this is a little good.
That's a compliment. And so, thanks to a cute idea, Bikini Bottom had a day full of laughter. One fun-filled morning in Bikini Bottom. SpongeBob is preparing something special. Today, we're gonna make the world's funniest Krabby Patty. SpongeBob, I found this. Let's make this cake. That's great, Patrick, even though it's a little weird. We need a new idea to attract customers.
Money.
No, customers. We have it. A fun starfish patty. Very fun. And a little crooked. That's good. Looks like it'll sell. It's okay, Patrick. Just have fun. Another childish trick. Try a piece, Squidward. Oh, okay. A little.
Yahoo! likes it. Bird likes it.
And so, thanks to one little idea, Bikini Bottom is filled with laughter again.